Welcome to this video. We have Mr. Four-Wheeler thinks it's a sports car.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And you guys saw in the previous upload the go-kart is gone.
The what?
The go-kart.
What'd you say?
I said the go-kart's gone. Okay. The go-kart is gone. We bought.
I didn't show anything.
You guys already saw that whole video. If you didn't, check in one of these two corners up here. It'll be in one of them. So, dude, we're in literally the middle of nowhere right now. Well, I mean, our houses are right over there, but you know, big
Look
open
at this
field.
way. Ooh.
Whoa,
Whoa.
dude. They're gonna see it in a second anyway. So yeah, you guys already know that the go-kart is sold. And I told you in a previous video, I told you guys. Well, I didn't really tell you. I kind of hinted at it.
God damn it! Get on the other side.
You were sitting on your four-wheeler over there. So that one right over there, you guys saw that in the most recent video.
That's mine. Really good four-wheeler. It's a Honda 300, two-wheel drive. You know, basic, but everybody loves it.
He was sitting on that, and as I was saying what the replacement was going to be, I didn't really give it away or anything. You showed the handlebars of yours in the video, and it kind of gave it away to what its replacement is right here.
It is a Honda Rancher with a washcloth on the front.
You guys have been wondering what this is. You remember the big ass thing that used to be on the front of this thing?
Yeah.
You used to have a big like box on the front. And this is the winch, like control box right here. And this was mounted onto it. I took the box off, so I wrapped this around it so it wouldn't scratch it up, and I just lay it there. We're gonna relocate that probably in a different video. But this video is pretty much just gonna be covering these two four-wheelers and pretty much how this four-wheeler is an insane replacement to the go-kart, because you guys know, you saw in a few videos the go-kart was like extremely incapable. You know how bad it was.
It was pretty not good.
It was not good. It was not good at all. It couldn't handle almost anything you threw at it.
For what it was meant for, it was a good thing. It was really good for what it was meant for. Right. A child.
You guys saw me riding in it. My knees were like all the way up. I can actually fit in this thing, surprisingly. Fit on this thing. You guys may notice this box back here. Some four-wheelers have like this little seat thing back here. I don't even like it that much. I just like it for all the storage you can put in there. Like this little box I carry around right here. It's like and this actually, this four-wheeler has
ready for anything that the fields might throw at him.
Yes, the fields that we are around right now.
Literally the flattest place on earth.
Yes, little cigarette lighter over here on the side of the four-wheeler, so that's why I have that with me.
Yeah, anytime he breaks down in the middle of the field.
Yeah. This is a Honda Rancher 400 4x4, and we got it for a steal considering how many miles are on this thing right now.
About 100,000 miles on it.
It's got 800 miles on it. That's pretty good for four-wheelers. I looked up, apparently it's like 10, if they're like 10,000 miles, they're considered high mileage, like, you know, vehicles. So this is pretty good. So yeah, guys, in a little bit from now, we're gonna actually, okay, you guys have to see what I'm dealing with right here, right now.
Boy.
So pretty much what I do is I take my phone out of its case right now, and I slap it in this case, and look what I do, ready for this? Boom. I tape it to the top. It actually sticks really well, like just by doing that.
Man, you getting rid of the stickiness as you do that.
All right. I'm getting a new piece of tape for it anyway, but yeah, this is what I have to do for now, you know, before we figure out like either a mount on top, because there are gonna be more videos coming over.
This is what I told him. This is stupid. Okay.
Dude, you almost folded that tape over. I was gonna kick your ass.
What I was gonna tell him, he should, this is hard for him. All right, you'll understand if you ever got to know. $20 to this man. That's a lot.
What do you mean? This thing was like...
No, it's not a lot to, like, he's broke. He just doesn't spend money on things he should spend money on, and spends money on things he shouldn't spend money on.
Like?
You just spend stupidly.
In this same video, a little bit from now, we're gonna be doing some, like, I guess you can kind of say first-person riding videos. Already tested it out on this. It's pretty decent, you know, like camera wobble, because I used to have it on the front dash.
You get a brand new first person of Lucas's chin.
Yeah, my chin. All right, so let's talk about Ilka's four-wheeler.
This is a very
widely known four-wheeler. Everybody
It's a
Everybody who anybody knows about Honda four-wheelers definitely has heard this name.
I didn't mean to take a picture. This is a two-wheel drive Honda 300. It's Fourtrax, obviously. It's an all-around. See, here's the thing. Lucas told me we were filming this video, and you know what I did like 3 times since then? I went through the water. We don't have much water to offer, but
Like right over there, and it's right in front of these neighbor's house, which is across this little field right here. I think they're outside right now, but we're doing it anyway.
I dogged on them for this, cause like the way I see it, it's a four-wheeler. It's meant to get dirty. It's like, that's what it's made for.
I never said it wasn't. Okay, guys, hear me out.
Shut the hell up. It's a four-wheeler. It's meant to get dirty. Oh yeah, you're fucking 2 little droplets of blood.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
He's like, nah, I ain't doing nothing today till we film because I want to keep mine looking good for the intro.
Yeah, but I said in the video, we're literally...
If anybody takes the time, what are you doing?
The only reason I wanted my floor to be clean for this video was because we're getting it dirty during the video. So I wanted a before and after thing of how we did it.
If you would take the time to comment, please, as you're watching, if you are watching, I'd really appreciate it if you would comment if you cared if this was dirty in the intro. Please let us know.
Like here, you're still on the floor real quick. Because this is what I was messing up the whole time. You can't see past a certain point downward. Like what the camera's capturing. All right, so sit like you normally sit. That is a really good view. Just like that.
Damn. Running out of gas. It might run out of gas in this video, just letting you guys know. Huh?
It's so down.
Oh, thank you. Taking it nice and easy. Nice trick, bro.
Oh, I thought it died.
Sick trick, bro.
What?
Sick trick, bro.
No, the camera can hear you really well.
Smells. Yahoo. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys the spot that we made. This is the corner with the corner. And it's just like a chill little spot. This is the corner. Really big tree. And it's just like a chill spot we ride out to.
Want to put helmets?
Nah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna whip one shitty right in front of you.
Oh my gosh, he had me turn off my folder for that. Here I am down my home. But down on the road I have known.
What's this dude doing, bro? I don't even know if y'all can hear me right now, honestly. Sorry if this is a, somewhat boring first video, guys, because like we didn't know what to really do for the first video, so like we just came out here and started riding our four-wheels around. This dude in front of me picking up all that shit out my face right now. Got a fire going on over there, god dang. More videos to come over these things, so stay tuned for that. That was definitely fun though. Alright guys, so we just got done mudding in these, kind of muddy. It was like a little lake thing. Not even, it was like a little body of water, like a little, a big puddle.
It was a puddle.
So look at the back of mine. Definitely, went through some shit. Same thing with his. But might have known the strap my phone to the helmet. That's how we're getting the point of view. And I can't find my case now.
We might be able to roll back the tapes, see, because you started setting it up on camera.
On that camera or this one?
This one.
Wouldn't it be the shit if it was still sitting back here somehow? It's not, but it's definitely back there somewhere.
Could be in the water too. That's the funny part.
In the mud?
Yeah.
So for now, guys, I'm gonna have to take off the case I did for this thing. I think it comes right off. Yeah, guys, you can definitely see these things with mudding. So stay tuned for more mudding-esque videos. Hopefully they get bigger and bigger.
And
more mud.
I will say, y'all got to hear a little bit more from Delkin today.
Yeah, you did.
Kind of gay.
Not really. Kind of dope because we both have something we can, do a video on. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.